Yo, welcome back to my channel. You already know, it's your boy Tenem School. I know it's been a while, it's been like 7 days or something, but I'm back with a review. A couple of days ago, I decided to step up my game. So I decided to invest in a tripod with the LED light, so I'm going to review it. And from now on, I'm going to be making videos with that. I got some other stuff coming, you know what I'm saying, to make the videos look saucy, do you know what I mean? So yeah, without too much talking, let's get it.
I drive again, I ain't got no note, I ain't got no ring, I am a goat, I am a man, y'all in the low, we smoking dope, we keep it close, you with the post, I'm with the dose, give me some dope, little bit of hope, you already know, you know, treat it top of this.
So this is what I used to use to record my videos. This is what I used to use. I know, it's a bit mad, but guess what? No more of this. I love you and all that, but you got to go. So, bye bye. And now, this is the packaging. It came yesterday. I had an exam, so I was too busy to open it. I'm about to open it. Alright, let's get it. This shit is 10-inch, bro. 10-inch. So yeah, let's get it. Comes with a manual. There's the lights. Yes, sir. I don't even need the manual to assemble this. Oh, bro, this is actually tall, man. Bro, dude. This is mad tall, fam. So apparently you can plug this to anything. You can plug it to a laptop, to a charger. Yeah, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna be back very soon. So yeah, there you go. All set up. Now I'm gonna plug it to this. A little Samsung thing, you know what I mean? And this is all they have to do. Look. Literally. Also, you can reduce the intensity, you know what I mean? You can dim the light basically, and you can make it more bright. See that? Also, you can change the light. There you go.
Insert card, I'm online. Sufficient funds on the swipe. Okay. Service fees too high. KMT, that's a third of the swipe. African boy, that's me. You won't catch me on no dead TC. Okay. I can be a local cash, I'll switch it. I can be a local scammer. Insert card, I'm online. Okay. Sufficient funds on the swipe. Service fees too high. KMT is a third of the swipe.
So yeah, this is what it looks like. From now on, my videos are gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, one more thing I wanted to add is that the height of this tripod here is 62.99 inches. You can call it 63 inches. Do you know how tall that is? So you can therefore, like, height is not a problem with that. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. It's gonna increase the quality of my videos. I got some more equipment coming. I'm gonna entertain you guys. I'm coming up with that Naruto content. It's Ramadan, you know what I mean? So I won't be reacting to music and that, but you know, I'm gonna enlighten you on Naruto. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, share, check out my other reviews, subscribe to my channel, and I'm out. Click, click, click. Boom.